Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on graph theory, lecture number 7, in which some more problems on four multicolored cube problems will be discussed. We have to solve a problem of four cubes problem in graph theory. Question is that find a solution of four cubes problem for the set of cubes given below. Cube number 1, the 6 faces of first cube has the colors R, G, B, R, W, W. The color of the faces of the second cubes are like this. Cube 3, this is cube 4. We know that this color is the color, this red is color of the left face, and B means blue, is the color of the right face. G be the color of the front face, and R be the color of the back face. W is the color of the top face, and this W is the color of the bottom face. We shall have to draw graph by joining two opposite faces. Each color is treated as a vertex of the graph. Here we have four colors, so we take four vertices of four colors. If we write here R, G, B, W, four colors, we have to draw the graphs. So for the first cube, we join the left face and right face by an edge. For each cube, we will get three edges. We join left face and right face, one edge, front face and back face. We join and we get one another edge, and we join top face and bottom face by an edge. So for each cube we get three edges and four vertices, means four colors here. Now we proceed for cube 1. Here left face is R and right face is B. So we join R and B and we give the label 1, as this is the first cube. Now we join front and back, G and R. G and R. This is for first cube. And now we join top and bottom, W and W. This is for first cube. Now we join the faces by edge, opposite faces by edge for the second cube. This left R and right is B. So we join R and B. For the second cube we write 2. Front, this is front and this is G is back. So we get here GG. Here top G and bottom R. We join G and R by 2. So we get 3 edges for second cube. Now for third cube, we join R and R. R and R. This is 3. Then W and B, front and back. W and B. This is for third. And W and G. Here, top and bottom. This is third. Now we take 4 number. R and R. We get again R and R. This is 4. This is front and back. G and W. This is 4. Front and back. Top and bottom. W and B. This is 4. Now this is the for step 1. We now go to step 2. In step 2, we draw the 2 subgraphs. 2 subgraphs such that in this deals with front and back, and second is left and right faces. In front, we get, if we place one cube, then on the top other cube, then on the top other cube, and then on the top other cube, 4 cubes. We get 4 faces in the front and 4 faces in the back. These 4 faces are of 4 colored, and again the back face will also include, so 8 faces will contain only 4 colors. So we need a graph with 4 vertices of 4 color and edges, 4 edges for 2 opposite faces, 1 edge. Since we have 8 faces, so we will get 4 edges. So we need a graph with 4 vertices and 4 edges. So we write here left and right, left and right subgraph. If we take this color R, B, G, W. So if we take here 1, B and R, we take 1. Here we take 2. Here we take 3. Here we take 4. So this will be a subgraph. Degree of each vertex is 2. Now another subgraph R, G, B and W. This is for front and back. Here we have already taken 1, so remains 2. So here we write 2. Here we have taken 2, so remains 1. Here we have already taken 3, so remains 4. Here we have already taken 4 here, so remains 3. So we get 2 subgraphs. One subgraph represents left and right, and other subgraph for front and back. Now step 3, in which we have arranged 4 cubes. Second cube is on the top of the first cube, third cube is on the top of the second cube, fourth cube is on the top of the third cube. Now we give colors on faces, left and right, front and back. No necessary to give color in bottom and top. So here this arrow denotes the right face and this arrow denotes the left face. These 2 small arrows, left face and right face. This long arrow denotes the front face and this arrow denotes the back face, as we have given this type of symbol. This is on the back position. So this is right face, this is left face, this is for front face, this is for the back face of the second cube. For the third cube, this is right face, this is left face, and this arrow is for front face and this arrow is for back face. In fourth cube, this arrow is for right face, this arrow is for left face, this arrow is for front face and this arrow is for back face. So we give the color. Firstly, we give left and right. Here number 1 cube, first cube, we have R and B. So we give one side R, then other side B. For second cube, R and G. Here we have R, so we may not give R. So here we will give G, here R. This is left face and this is the right face. In the third cube, here G and W. Already we have here G, so we give here W and here G. In fourth cube, W and B. Already we have W in left face, so we give here B. So here will be W. Now we give color front and back. Here for the first cube, we may give R and G. Here we may give color R and here we may give G. In the second cube, we have R and B. Here already R, so we give here B, here R. Front and back. For third cube, here we see B and W. Here already we have B, so in the front, so we give here W and this side B, from back side. And fourth is W and G. Already we have W here, so in fourth cube, here we have G and W, so we give here G and this side W. Here we see that in right face B, R, G, W, different colors. In front face R, B, G, W, G, different color. Here left face R, G, W, B, different colors. In the back face G, R, B, W, different colors. Now we go to step 4. Here we have 4 cubes. We give the color in left and front. Here left we see that for first cube we have R, red color. In the second cube G. In the third cube W. In the fourth cube B. And in the front, these arrows are for front. First cube R, second cube B, third cube W, and fourth cube G. Now right and back, right face. These arrows are for right face. Here B, second R, third G, fourth W, and back face. These are back face. G, first cube, G, then R, then B, third cube, and then W. Here we see that left column contains 4 colors for 4 cubes, but 4 different colors. Similarly, in front face, we have 4 faces of 4 cubes of different colors. Here in the right column, we have 4 cubes for 4 faces. Here 4 different colors. Similarly, in the back face also. So our problem is solved. Now we have a second question in which the color of the 4 cubes be given. Here the color of the faces of the first cube be left face is color W, front face is color G, right face is color R, back face is color B, and top face is color G, and bottom face is color R. Similarly for other cubes. Now we draw graph taking 4 vertices as 4 colors and edge joining the opposite faces. Here for cube 1, now we join opposite face W and R, left and right face, W and R here. This is for 1, this is front and this is back, G and B, G and B. This is 1, top and bottom, G and R, and we give edge with label 1. For the second cube, here left is W and right is R. So we join W and R. This is level 2. This is front R and W. R and W. This is also 2. This is bottom top B and bottom G. We give here 2. For third cube, left R and right G. Here third cube, R and G. Front W and back B, W and B. We give 3. W and W, top and bottom. This is 3. Now we take 4. left W, right G, left W, right G. This is fourth. This is front B and B. Front and back B and B. This is 4. And top and bottom B and B. So we get the graph like this. Now we will discuss that the problem can be solved or not. Since from this graph we cannot find two edge disjoint subgraphs H1 and H2 such that each subgraph contains exactly one edge from each cube and degree of each vertex in each subgraph is 2. So we cannot stack the given 4 cubes one on the top of another to form a column such that all 4 colors appear on each side of the resulting column. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.